Welcome to the course. This is the very first lecture, and in this lecture I'll give you a short introduction to this course. I'll tell you what the course covers, how it is structured, I'll mention the different types of content that you'll find here, and I'll let you know what to expect in terms of goals you want to reach. So the course is structured into several sections, and sections are nothing more than logical groupings of several lectures. Now, for instance, you are at lecture 1 of section 1. And so in the first section I'll mention a few facts about Python. Then I'll show you how to install Python version 3 and where to write and execute Python code. Then in section 2 you'll learn how to declare and use variables. You'll also learn how to use numbers and strings, which are two basic data types in Python. Then once you've learned variables, numbers and strings, in section 3 you'll be ready to write some tiny programs using conditionals. Also in section 3 you'll learn how to write your own functions. And once you have a good grasp of custom functions, you'll already start to feel confident in writing lines of code. Then we will jump over to section 4, where you will learn some more complex data types that are lists, tuples, sets and dictionaries. Then you'll practice these data types as you learn how to perform iterations using the for loop. In section 5 I'll go over to some more practical concepts, where you will learn how to create and open files and write content inside these files. In that section you will also be practicing iteration, combined with file handling techniques. And then I'll explain to you all the functionalities that I mentioned above while typing code, executing and getting the code output. However, some things you'll be able to understand by yourself by completing the exercises which you will find as you progress through the course. That's an excellent technique because it will keep you very active and will help you code independently with confidence. There are also interesting quizzes in the course that will continuously test your knowledge. And once you have learned all the building blocks of the language, I'll show you the way how you can apply that knowledge for making Python programs that will solve your problems in your specific professional field. So I'll show you how to look for special Python functionalities and how to use them for programming with Python. And moreover, we will be building some real-world small programs, and then I'll ask you to improve those programs so that you understand them better and learn how to do them by yourself. And lastly, I'll show you how to make your Python programs more user-friendly so that other people can also execute them. And to sum it up, regardless of the field of technology where you're planning to use Python, this course will get you up and running fast with Python. So let's roll and see you in the next lecture.